FreeCAD is an open source 3D parametric CAD modeling software that you can use it for absolutely free, not only in case of academia use, but also for all types of commercial application. So what does that mean? You can develop a commercial grade product without paying a penny. But still, I would suggest you to kindly donate them such that the community keep on thriving and keep releasing new versions with time. So let me quickly open a FreeCAD web. All you need to do is to donate is you need to click here, and here you can make donation based on how much you want. And the reason why I am very big fan of FreeCAD, because for this kind of commercial grade application, you need to pay few $1,000s every year. And here you're gonna get everything for free. Okay, so let me click here on download now to quickly get started. And then another great thing about this FreeCAD is it not only available for Windows, which most of the commercial grade 3D modeling software are, but here you also gonna get it for Mac as well as Linux. So here in this case, I'm gonna go with the installer. So let me click on it, and there we go. We can see that process of download has begun. And finally here we have downloaded it. Okay, so now let me open this FreeCAD. And there we go. So let's make a double click on it. And now here we can see the process of installation has begun. And here I'm gonna keep all these settings as it is. But let's say if in case you have limited amount of C drive space available, then you can go back here and can change the installation location. But in my particular case, I'm gonna keep it as it is. Now let's click on next, and click on install. And finally here we can see we have successfully installed it. So let me click here on finish and let's run it for the first time. Let's click here on FreeCAD. And now here is how it looks. And here you also can see the welcome screen which talk about to get started. Here we can set up the language, the unit system, whichever you generally prefer, and then the navigation style. So here I'm gonna keep it as CAD. Now let me click here on done. And there we go. So in order to start our first part, let me click here on create a part with part design workbench. And there we go. Now in order to create part, we required sketch. So let me click here on sketch. Now here we have got these plane. So I'm gonna choose this particular plane to get started. Now here let me plot our first ever sketch, which you further can constrain based on your requirement. Now here on the top right corner, you also can see the different view with the help of whom you can further interact with your model. Now let's say I'm gonna click on close here. And now in case of modeling, probably I would like to go with pad to just get started. And there we go. Now let's make it symmetric and let's make the distance here as 100, or maybe sometime 100 become very big. So I can go back here and can change this pad value to, for example, 50 or even 50. Let's say I find it too much, I can make it 30. Now let me apply radius here on all these four corners. Now let me click here on preview, which kind of give me preview of these edges. So in this way guys, we can download and install FreeCAD, and just for fun, I have created our first ever model inside FreeCAD, which kind of give you a quick overview of navigation option. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. Do subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow more such videos related to CAD and other engineering topics, and I will see you around with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.